Good morning. For those of you that received paper copies of some of my assignments and note-taking guides, I have received some questions about where they find or where you need to find answers for the note-taking guides. And so I just wanted to make a quick video that shows you again how to use this lesson plan document that I shared out with all of you. Okay, so this is the lesson plan document. Again, it looks like a lot, but really I want you to take it day by day. And then anything that you see in blue is just a link that you can click on. The link might bring you to a video, or it might bring you to another paper copy or document or resource. One of the questions that I've gotten so far today is, hey, how do I find the answers for the adjective adverb form note-taking guide? So I'm going to show you that quickly because I know that some of you are wanting to work ahead, and that's okay. So the note-taking guide notes are actually not due until next week, and so if you're taking those notes, you're working ahead of the game. And so I'm actually looking at Wednesday the 8th, and it says grammar notes adverb form video. And so if I were to click on that link, it's going to bring you to a YouTube video that has my image as you can see in the corner. So it will be me talking about the notes. And so that will be just like you receiving a lesson in class. If you just wanted to see the slides to fill in the note-taking guide and then watch the video, you would just need to click this link here. It would bring you to the notes that I use with you in class, and then that way you can fill in the note-taking guide as you go. Okay, so I hope that this answers your questions. If not, feel free to send me another email and I can hopefully make another video for you, or I can just quickly type up a response. I hope that everything's going well. Good luck, you guys.